Hey, welcome back to my channel. I am Naturalee'LaTree Inspires. Welcome back to another vlog. Y'all, I'm getting ready. I'm getting back in the habit of this vlog, and so I hope y'all enjoying it. Y'all know it's my birthday month, okay? So, you know, Virgo season, I'm just going to be being me, presenting every little bit of vlog, daily task, whatever that I can. So, quick question. Yeah, I think today said the temperature gonna be like 80. It's like 60 something right now. I don't even know. It's about 10:30 in the morning. But look, and this is September 8th. So anyway, so look, so this shirt, black little shirt, got a little, it's cute. I had to show you the whole outfit once I get it on. And then you got like these little leather, pleather like sleeves. This the outside, this the inside, but like fabric. But look at the skirt. It's a cute pleated skirt. It's like almost like a leather look to it, but it's really thin. And this is the inside. I'm like, am I gonna look too hot? Is it okay to wear pleather, leather look or whatever this time of year? I think I'm gonna wear it anyway because it's cute and I just really like the outfit. I'm just feeling it today, especially in my career. I need to really go ahead and give y'all that career update, y'all. Y'all, I'm just gonna say it right now, but y'all, I quit my job after 17 years in a career. I quit my job to follow my dreams, my passion. And it has been a great shift, a great blessing. So anyway, I really got to do a video on that. But anyway, I think I'm going to wear this skirt today. Then I'm going to show y'all, come back, show y'all, whole little outfit. And then, who else wear like these little bags? I took a shower just to protect my hair. I'm going to take it off in a minute. But, yeah. Who else use these little bags from the store to cover their head? Hey, recycle, reuse, recycle. Then another thing, I need to go ahead and show y'all my Pandora bracelet that I got. What my husband got me for my birthday. So yeah, I want to wear it today. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little unboxing of it and put it on. So I'll be back. Let me get ready, show y'all my outfit, show y'all my new Pandora bracelet. And yeah, once again, it's Virgo season. If you're Virgo, if it's your birthday month, however it goes, drop something in the comment. Let me know. I asked y'all a couple questions. Answer in the comments. I'll be right back. I gotta fix my hair a little bit more, but I wanted to show y'all. This is the perfume that I'm wearing. This is the S side. This is the pink one. Giorgio Armani. Lord, I can't even get it out. So that's what I'm about to put on. I think this is a nice little soft fragrance. Y'all try not to overdo it. You know what I'm saying? Good quality perfume. You really don't have to wear too much. So, yeah. Okay, I'm coming right. Okay, y'all. So, real quick, little unboxing. It's my Pandora bracelet that my husband got me for my birthday. If you haven't seen, I think Virgo season. It's my birthday part 3. Go shopping with us and to dinner. So, yeah. So, this is Pandora. I was able to go in and pick out what I wanted. My husband purchased it for me. So this is what I got. This is the blue sapphire made into the bracelet. Then this is like a little Zodiac. I think it's Zodiac because it has the sun and moon on there. Then this says happy birthday. It's pretty little colors. It almost looks like a little hot air balloon. You see that? It says happy birthday. Then this is Zodiac sign. This is Virgo. And then this is really cute. Got a little pearl there. And this is a mermaid. So this is my starter. New one. This is my older one. Got a lot of goodies on there, but I wanted a brand new one. So thank you, honey. So let's see if I can put it on. Should I put it on the same arm or a different arm? Oh, she gave me the same size. She tried it on me, but I don't know if I was paying attention like I should have been. Oh, don't fall off. Okay. So now I need to try to get it on. Which way should I put it on? This way? I don't know. Let me see. Hold on a second. Hold on. I think I got it. Oh, I got it. So this is how it looks. So I have two of them on the same arm. All right. That has been a little bit of ASMR for you all. I miss doing ASMR. If you like ASMR, put it in the comment. Let me know. Okay, moving on. I need to get out the door real quickly in the next 10 minutes or sooner if possible. So y'all, this is my Zodiac sign eyeshadow palette by BH Cosmetics. 24 eyeshadows and 1 highlighter. 24. Yeah, so that's what it is. So I really like this one. It has some beautiful, vibrant colors. If we were going to the Virgo, this is what Virgo would look like. So we have Virgo, Leo, Cancer, Gemini, Taurus, Aries, Pisces, Aquarius, Capricorn, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Libra, back to Virgo. And in the middle, that's a highlighter, and then the same with those colors in there. The ones on the outside are more glittery, and these are just more vibrant, solid colors. Okay, so what I have been doing, I just been going into the highlighter, and I just been taking it, just dabbing it a little bit on my little cheeks here. I can see better in the mirror. Just there and there, around the corner of my eye. You know, I wear glasses, so just real cute, soft look for me. Then I go on the top of my eyes here, just into the little curve of my eyelash. My eyebrow underneath, just to make it pop out a little bit. So that's with the highlighter. Then I go into the Libra, even though it is Virgo season. My sun is a Libra. One of my sons, my sunshine, is a Libra. Okay, so now I'm going to go into Pisces. Also, I have a son that is a Pisces. Go in there, and I like to put that just on the bottom lid here. It's a little darker to it. Okay, I gotta get ready to get out of here. Okay. Then take my other brush, and also I have a son that's a Scorpio. That's more pinkish. So I'm going to go in today with the Leo. This is what I've been using, Leo. And I just been taking it right into the crease of my eye here and going out with it. So y'all like more of the neutral, natural colors. So that's what I've been doing. I'm going with the Cancer. My mom is a Cancer and my dad. So I'm going with those, and I just put some yellow color, gold color there in the center. Make that pop. Then grab a little bit more of the Leo and just make sure that's standing out there. And let's go in with a little Scorpio for my other sunshine. It's a little pink, but where can I dab it at? I don't know. Let's put it just here a little bit. You know, just there. Okay, so now brush that in there. Okay, Let's mix a little Virgo in there. Yep. Everything meaningful today. And then Aquarius, that's my honey. That's a little dark there. So I'm just going to put that right in here in the center. Just a little bit. That's my husband. He's Aquarius. Okay, y'all. I think I can just blend that. And cute natural look. Let me show y'all my little lip gloss. I've been feeling this nice little gold lip. It's by LA Colors, holographic. And I just want to put a little bit in here. And in here. Top lip. Cute little fun lip. It's a lot, could be a lot. It could not be. You know, a lot for that, but not a lot, you know. And also, let me show you what glasses I think I'm gonna wear. Because all of my accessories are pretty much gold, except for my bracelets. I love them. Okay, so these are the glasses. Cute. Y'all, I think I'm gonna do a glasses haul. If y'all like glasses, let me know. I have so many. If y'all like glasses haul, let me know. So yeah, gold to go with the gold earrings, gold. So I think it looks cute, soft glam, you know. And yeah, I gotta show y'all my outfit. Hold on. All right, y'all, stepped outside. Hope y'all can see me. This is my outfit. This one is beautiful, but I still feel comfortable. So this is the skirt. This is the little shirt. So my belly won't show. I got like a little stretchy tank top under here. And then these are the shoes. Some Adidas with the zebra print toe. Because I do need to have my foot fully closed, and I do like to be comfortable. So yeah, that's my outfit. I am Naturalee'LaTree Inspires. If you have enjoyed this video, please thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Once again, it is Virgo season. And anyone who's having a birthday this month, happy birthday to you. Drop me some comments, like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I'll be back. I am Naturalee'LaTree Inspired.